Manish, what business are you in?
So we are into manufacturing of lubricants,
Manufacturing.
industrial as well as automotive lubricants.
So how is the business going?
Business is good. April, May, June, those are tough, but from last month onward, we picked up. And rather, last month we did 20% extra the average of our last year sale. That is really, I even don't know how it happened. We were only working towards striving that we should strive this month. But I don't know what happened, but not that we closed 20% more than the average sale of the last year.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really great. But this month we are at par with the last year average sale. So no regret, we'll go. But the major thing that I'm really thankful to you, actually I attended your one webinar through BNI, although I'm not a member of BNI, but anyhow, one of my friend gave me the link. So chori chori chupke chupke. So I attended that without giving my name, logo, because most of the people know me. Like, chori chori I attended and I got fascinated. यार, I should go for it.
Great.
Anyhow, चलो नहीं तब mood नहीं बना. Then you did for Sisu.
Okay.
Commercial. So I'm a member of Sisu also. So that I attended fully. And the moment the Sisu webinar was finished, so before that I deposited my fees. That no, now I want to go for it.
And how many months it has been for you? Approximately 1 month?
I think I'm in 8th week right now. I'm in the 8th week.
Great, great.
And
how has been your journey? How has been your experience?
Fantastic.
Okay.
See, that so many things which were not under my control. First of all, what was happening that although I created so many Excel sheets given to my team, you have to fill this, you have to fill that. They used to fill it, but data was so scattered that even when I used to sit on my laptop and wanted to accumulate everything in single sheet, it was a hell of a task. And after 5 to 6 minutes, I used to quit. छोड़ना है यार, क्या करना है? What to do? Leave it. Nothing to do. चलने दो, जैसा चल रहा है वैसा चलने दो. But now everything is on paper. Now everyone for my sales team I did nothing. जो मेरा report पहले था, वही same format I put in the Google Sheet. Now I ask them, okay, you need not to send me anything. You have to just fill it. Everything is with them. I'm like I'm owner of this company. There are 2 managers, sales managers, and team leaders.
Before you proceed further, can I ask how old is your business? How many years have you been into this?
I started, that if I look into my career, I started my career as a business career in 1998. But before that, I was into trading. In 2008, I started manufacturing. So I can say that my business journey started from 1998 and manufacturing I started from 2008.
Okay. And what were top 3 challenges that, if you can just recall, that you used to face in your manufacturing, in your operations, in your team management before MBA program?
First challenge was that whenever any person, particular from the sales department, left me, so I was empty-handed. I was not having any database that where he was working, what he was working, and where he has left. There were so many customers which said, "Yaar, kitni bari trial karaoge aap?" There was no reporting system. Now that reporting system has come into the line.
Great.
Second was my order follow-up. What used to happen, like koi WhatsApp pe bhej raha hai, someone is sending me order over WhatsApp, someone is sending through email. So there was no data accumulation, and there was a horsepower system. Every time it was war footing. Now my plant people are so relaxed. So What happened now? I created a form. Now from the form, Excel sheet, Google sheet is there. From response sheet, there is two bifurcation. One is to the plant, one is to the dispatch guy. Now using query and import range, now plant doesn't need any customer name, address. So they get only item name and quantity. My dispatch person get everything. So now with a single send button, all the data is transmitted automatically.
Great.
That was my second channel. Third challenge was my stock management. I used Busy, I used Tally, I used Tick software. Nothing worked at all. Nothing worked at all. Every time I was having some or one or another glitch, and I used to follow them, and sometimes they gave me the result solution, sometimes not. Now with this Google Sheet, wow, it's a mind blowing. Now everything is on my fingertips. Everything, just with a single Google Sheet, I can tell you that which product is lying in which area. These are the majorly three challenges which I'm over. Oh, of course, the stock is not that much 100% foolproof, but slowly I'll make it foolproof. It will take time because I got more than 1,000 products, including my raw material only. Raw material is around more than 1,000. And if I take account my total SKUs, then it would be more than 2,000. So now everything will be on the sheet.
Manish, if I ask you that now when you say that report is being developed and your order tracking is very smoothened, your stock management is way more relaxed than it was previously before, and your sales team and your dispatch team is coordinating properly, what do you think? Are you saving some extra time of your day in your entire day?
So my aim is to get free from this business by December 31st, because I got another project in my mind. I want to devote myself into that by creating a proper channel, proper system in this business. I will be free 100%. I'll be just giving 1 hour time in the morning for this business to look into the reports only and the other business. That is my target.
What do you think, if you would have not been enrolled in MBA program, if you would have not started your journey, if you would have just stuck to that old system of either Tally or the paper, do you think you would be able to free yourself from these operations?
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
Sir, I tell you that I joined your program, to be very frank, that I didn't have the insight to get free. Insight was that to streamline my business, but during the course only I got an insight that yes, I can also get free. I can create something different. See, I'm now 48 years, 40 years old. I'm not in a position to participate in day-to-day activities. And would you believe, sir, this month, August, till I started this form and sheets, I am not involved in any of my activity in plant, any activity in office, anything. No, nothing is there, nothing done. Now people, I told those who were contacting me directly, sir, please dispatch this, dispatch. I clearly told them, okay, I am not available. Fill this form. You have to fill this form. If you fill this form, you will get sample. If you fill this form, you will get your material. If you don't fill, then nothing. Now, what I did, I bought this because what was happening, that form approval was giving only 20 approvals in a month. So I bought that also. That okay, let me do this thing, that because now what is there, because 20 is a very petty thing for me, because daily basis my incoming order is somewhere around 10-12 orders are coming. So in 2 days I was finished with this thing. So I this, and now this form approval is I'm doing in everything, right from samples, right from ordering, everything. Now, even for leave, someone want leave, that form approval is there. Someone wants something advanced, everything is through form approval.
Yeah, Manish, as I told in that webinar as well, there are three stages of a business owner. Firstly is the technician, where he always gets busy in operation. He keeps working with the team. Second stage is where he builds the processes and he works as a manager, and he let his team follow the instruction and he analyzes everything. And third stage is where he is an entrepreneur. He creates a vision. He gives the goals to the managers, and he focuses on the bigger things, bigger vision, bigger projects. So, what do you think? How has been your shift, and did you shift from technician to above stages, and if yes, how has been your journey, and which stage are you in right now, and how soon you will be actually going to the entrepreneur stage?
Sir, here I tell you that my one basic inherent property or feature, or you can say behavior thing, is that I always give powers to my team. From the very first day, I hardly visit my plant. My plant is on 25 kilometers. I hardly visit my plant. Maybe once in a 2 months or once in a month. First technician part I've already left a long time back,
Beautiful.
because I'm not available for these petty things. If something news you want, I'll come. But if you want me to do something which is in routine matter, I'm not available. You have to handle at your end. Number one. Number two, I right now, if you say that I'm in managerial activity, that I am engaged in different operational, work, like order streamlining, inventory streamlining, customer streamlining, finance. I'm into that. Now I am coming out of that, and as I told you that I've kept 31st of December as my target to come out of this managerial activities and become entrepreneur, so that this business will be handled by my team and I'll be free for another journey.
Well, can you just describe like few words about your new project, what it is regarding?
So that is basically entirely, what should I say, that it is entire project is to create a system. See that at present in households we are struggling with so many different services. Sometimes plumber services, electrician services. So at least what I've seen in Punjab, we don't have any system anywhere we can get everything on a single store or single site. So now I'm developing one system where I'll be engaging a number of people with me, so that different people, so those who are giving services to the households. So like Uber done, like this Urban Club has done. So this is basically based on their platform only, and what it would be extended services. So whatever you need at home, that will be available on my site.
So I think that is where from B2B you're going to B2C as well.
Yes, exactly.
And there is, when it comes to business expansion, there is no limit in B2C.
Yeah.
Everybody, every household can become your customer. That's really great. And Manish, if I ask you that, what's your current turnover right now in this company?
In this company, we are doing around 25 crore. Last year, we closed at 24.6 something. That was my revenue.
2 crore per month is your current.
It's a per year. It's a per month. Per year, sorry, not per month. It's a per year.
2 CR per month then.
That is around 2 CR per month.
And now, when you say that you have systemized all these things, you have systemized your order tracking, you have systemized your stock management, your team management, and slowly you're building the momentum as well. And with getting more and more support, you'll be able to create so many things. What do you think in next 3 to 5 years, where you'll be able to take your revenue from 2 CR to how many CRs per month?
To be very frank, earlier I was having a target of 2025 100 CR target I was having. So because of this corona effect, I think this year we are losing everything. That if we can maintain our last year turnover, because see that in the first quarter it was as good as nil. So when first quarter has gone, so means that 25% sale we have already lost. So now our target is to achieve at least 1920 turnover in this current financial year. So maybe we'll try that we'll achieve our target in our targeted by our targeted date. But still, if not, then maybe by 2026 we will try to achieve 100 crore, because in our business achieving 1 crore is damn easy. 1 crore to 10 crore is damn easy. 10 crore to 15 crore is really tough. It's really tough. I know that how I achieved 15 crore. Then from 15 crore to again going to 20 crore, it was easy, because then your channel starts working for you. Now from this 2 CR per month to going for a 5 CR per month, that is again an uphill task. For that, much of my efforts, much of my teams are needed.
At the right time, you got into our program. That
yeah, that is, yes, that is really my good luck. What should I say, that by core of my heart, that I'm really thankful that thankful to the God. And see that generally it's our old say that opportunity doesn't knock you twice. But in my case, it knocked second time through Sisu, and that time I didn't left it. I grabbed it.
Great.
Even I recommended your program to many of my friends, many of my other fellows, that you should go for it. Rather, yesterday only I was talking to one of my cousin. So I was telling him, he's using TIC software, and ऐसा दिक्कत आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है. So I told him that better you attend his webinar once, and then I think you should enroll for his program. It is a really a good program. And the system what he's giving, you are giving, is really now. I haven't used your task management. I haven't used your till now. I plan to use those also.
That is going to completely blow your mind. Completely.
Yes, I see. Actually, what happened that I have asked you on Facebook also that I'm a little bit slow. Time is moving, and everything is. I'm in eighth week. But if you ask me physically, I'm in the 8th week, but mentally I'm in the 3rd week only, because I'm implementing those 3rd week things into my system.
That is completely okay, step by step. And you imagine that if you're saying that you've already implemented 3 weeks till now, and you've created so many great results. Imagine next 2-3 months when you will implement everything of 8 weeks, what level you will be achieving.
Exactly. And I'm really. I don't know that how you did it. It's a wonderful program you have designed. And see, I tell you that if I talk about Tally, if I talk about Busy, if I talk about TIC software, they have focused on 1 or 2 or 3 type of industries. See, my type of industry is very typical industry. And all your solutions, what you have given in your program, is suiting to my industry also. It's now to see, minor changes are there that one has to do, but those changes are not that much tough that one cannot do.
And those changes are required in Tally and other software as well.
So they require 100% customization.
Yeah,
100% customization. And the see, if you don't take it otherwise, the whatever you are charging for this thing, they are bloody charging for a single customization.
That is true. I know.
If I say that your program is damn cheap,
yeah,
for that, if see,
so we should phrase it. It is damn affordable.
Exactly, it is a damn affordable. It's a damn affordable.
So do you want to know why we have reduced the price so much?
I don't know, but business sense, if I say that you can penetrate into many SMEs, because unless and until SMEs are with you, because this is ERP. This is man-made, cable-made ERP.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Pre-COVID, the entire program was priced at 1 lakh rupee per customer.
Ooh.
Yeah, and we were doing it offline, and the classes used to be in Gurgaon. and the people were coming from Bathinda, from Ludhiana, from Lucknow, Jaipur, Agra, Bangalore. People were traveling from flights, and it used to be every Saturday for 8 weeks. And people used to fly 8 times, come and go, come and go. And they used to spend 1.5 to 2 lakh rupee just on travel and flights and hotels. And they used to say that we got at least 10 times more value. When the COVID happened, we thought let us contribute big time to the SME sector, because these are the people who are now contributing to the stability of the country, and these people require our solution. So that is where my intent of helping 1 million business owners in India came after, and I said ki slash the price to a point there, people, it becomes completely brainless, and people come and people join and people get the value. And otherwise there was no reason. If the COVID would have not happened, you would have get it in at least 1 lakh rupee per business owner, and we were increasing it back to back. But due to COVID, we reduced it, and after that, now people are coming with great response. So now we are thinking on terms of numbers, and instead of increasing like price so much, we'll go for the numbers, because we want to achieve 1 million business owners till 2030. And till now, we have already impacted 3,500 business owners pan India.
Great, great.
10 lakh is the number, and that is not possible without support of people like you.
No, sir, see that the support, the thing is that how fast you and your team supports, and wonderful is your Facebook page. Many of times what happens that I put lot many questions. So what happens that it is not, I don't have a time to get the answer of that particular query. I post on the Facebook, and within 5-10 minutes, either you reply or any team member reply or any of your client replies that, okay, you can go by that. And that is more than enough. Once you get some insight, so you get some clue. So immediately you can go through. So that support system is.
When it comes to the bigger softwares, they charge good amount monthly basis just for this.
So I'm telling you, I afraid that I have already taken your course. I afraid that other people will abuse me, because if I praise you a lot, then you might increase the price.
No worries, no worries, no worries. So
but really, sir, your salute to you. You are doing a great job for SMEs and people, those who are not able to afford ERP systems, not afford to. One thing, another thing which is very fantastic with your system is I don't need any skilled manpower.
Yeah. Because you just want them to do the data entry. That's it.
Yes, that's all.
The data entry system works on its own. You get a report on Data Studio. That is the beauty part.
That is really, I don't have a words to explain.